Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened USD currency pair. Okay, we will start trading from the next candle. Here I will go with buyers. Why I am going with buyers? Okay, if you check here, the market wants to go up, and here I have a horizontal level which was previously a resistance. Now it has become a support. So one more thing, we have a trend line every time the market is respecting, and moreover that we have a momentum, so we can easily go with a buyers here. And one more thing, in the most of the videos I have mentioned this point, in the uptrend the retracements will be 1 or 2 red candles. Okay, you should check these points. Okay, here if you observe, so we have gone with buyers. Whenever you are trading, try to check the levels, because levels sometimes help you most. So that's why maximum try to check levels. Here we got a selling candle. Okay, what is the next candle now? Yeah, if you zoom it, you may understand now previously why it was red. Okay, now I can officially go with buyers. As expected previously, we can expect 1 or 2 retracements, but previously the market has came to an end for the momentum. But if you observe, there is a minor gap up for the previous opening, and it was a weak candle, which indicates the weakness of the sellers. And I have mentioned this point before itself, it's a buying area, so easily you can go with buyers as of now. Okay, so you should check these all points whenever you are trading in the market. Previously my entry points saved me. Okay, so you should maintain some entry points which you will get nice savings. Okay, here if you guess what is the next candle, here it is a buying candle. Still we got lost because our entry point, previously we lost because of our entry point only. Okay, now I will go confidently with sellers with valid entry point. Why I am making a selling candle means market wants to break down, the trend line is far down, so market came to an end. In the left side you have a M pattern previously. From that level the wick level rejection has been rejected. Okay, so easily you can go with sellers. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers. As of now, the maximum the trend line will get breakout easily. Why? Because previously there was a M pattern and market is retested that particular pattern. Okay, so easily the market will break. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you guess? There is a strong buyers level which was a trend line previously working. Easily you can go with buyers here. Okay, let me check once again. Yeah, it is a strong candle, and okay, let it be. I will only go with buyers here. Why I have taken with buyers means previously every time the trend line is working perfectly, so you should respect those things. So that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. Before my entry point saved me, after that my entry point has been lost. So try to check the entry points, because this matters. In the real account, if it is lost means it is lost because we are keeping the real money. So try to check those things once again. Okay, even the entry point matters more, so that's why try to place the trade at the before entry points itself. Okay, here the buyers have been entered strongly. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you predict? Here if possible it is a major level. Yeah, I have a 50-50 chances. Sometimes I could go again with buyers. I have checked the trend line. Okay, maybe I can go one more buying candle because it's a major area. Left side also we are getting strong buyers area, I could see that. So it's a 50-50. Sometimes it will make 1 retracement, sometimes it will make 2 retracements, but as of now I'm going with buyers. But here if it looks the selling candle, I think I officially one loss. Okay, it's okay, we can recover those trades. Okay, because in the binary trading every candle we can't predict, because every situation looks like same, but according to that particular area the market behaves. Okay, here if you notice from the top, the market wants to go down easily. And one more thing, if you notice, as of now, that horizontal level which I have plotted, it will look like head and shoulders pattern. Okay, just now the market has been breakout. Now I will go with buyers here. Why? Because just now I have plotted a horizontal level which was previously working as a SNR level. Have you noticed that point particularly? It is an SNR level. So here in these kind of areas, you should respect those kind of candles. And one more thing, if you observe from the top, green red pattern is going on. Maybe the levels are working, and at the same time, if you observe, there is a pattern also which looks like a green red pattern. So these all points you should notice whenever you're trading, and with the respect of the levels only you have been taking trades here also. So try to check the levels and check whether the levels are strong or not. Here if you observe, both are strong levels. Previously it was a trend line, now it is a SNR area. What is the next candle now? This time I will again go with buyers only, but I need margin of safety. Why? Because it's a major area. If you check previously, there are strong level. It is not a weak level. Minimum momentum is coming from those levels which are mentioned as a strong levels. Okay, I got nice entry. Let me take for buying. 1 second. Yes, I got nice entry. Yeah, I have placed the trade. Why I am this much confident, friends? Because if you notice that particular horizontal level, you check both the sides where the buyers and sellers have been entered strongly. If minimum these kind of levels means you can expect at least 2 retracements or trend reversal even. So that's why I have this much confidence to go with the buyers, and I have waited for the perfect entry to go with buyers only. Okay. See, at last we got a buying candle. What is the next candle now? I think we can continue with the buyers only, but let me take one trade. Whether in the top I don't have any levels. Okay, as of now. Okay, I need entry. 1 second. Let me take margin of safety trade for the buyers only. Yeah, I got nice entry point. Let me take. Yes, I can go with buyers again. Let's see, because from these kind of areas we need one more level to go with sellers, but there is, as of now, there are no levels at all. So I could continue with the buyers, but with valid margin of safety. If this was a red candle, I may think to go with sellers on the next candle, but as of now I didn't see any kind of selling candles, so that's why I am preferred to go only with buyers, because previous trend was an uptrend. Just now market has been come. Okay, here also, yes, we can go with buyers. Can we check? Yes, I can go with buyers. Let me draw a level whether I have any opportunity or not. Okay, I have an opportunity, but I missed the entry point. If I take the trade, I won't win easily because the rejections are strong. Maybe in from that area I could get more rejected. So that's why I can't take trade in this candle. I will wait for the next candle. I will try to take trades. Here if you notice, what do you understand? Market is overall going an uptrend. Just now previous trend line has been breakout, and market got a support from the previous low, and market is trying to go up. That's it. Here the scenario is simple as you look. Okay, so whenever you are trading, don't draw too many levels. Draw the levels which are valid as of that particular area. Okay, now what is the next trade? Now there is a candle which was coming from a strong trendline area, which was just now breakout. So easily you can go with sellers. That's it. Breakout, reversal. Don't think much. Here also I didn't get any entry point. These kind of candles easily make strong, but I will go with sellers only because the candle have strength, I think so. So the candle is red, but my entry point is too late. Let's see what will happen. I don't know. We'll check here. Here two things will happen. One, the market will be a fake breakout and again continue to the downwards, because already the trend line has been breakout, which was a major trend line from the down. Now the market is trying to go with a downtrend. Second thing, in the top, if you notice, there is a head and shoulders pattern. So easily you can continue with the selling only. So I have two confirmations to go with the downtrend. So as of now, yeah, we got loss. It's okay, but now I will recover. Easily we can go with sellers now. Why here we can go with sellers? One, from the top, you notice it is a fake breakout and the candle is too strong, the selling candle. And why you won't prefer buyers means, previously there was a buyer's momentum, but three candles are weak. All of a sudden you got a strong buying candle, which was a exhaustion candle. So you should check these all points whenever you're trading. Okay. And in the top, I have a pattern which indicates downtrend. So that's why I can strongly go with the sellers here. So whenever you are trading, when the market is trying to change the trend, you should notice the surrounding areas. In the middle, you no need to notice the areas, because in between you may have trend lines or horizontal lines, which will help you to move up to the next level. Okay, here we got win. Okay, now what is the next candle now? Do you have any idea? Already I have mentioned these all points. Now what is your call? Can you guess? Here easily you should continue with the flow. Whether even it is a buyers also, maximum the market will break the level. Why? Because in the top you have a pattern. Already the level which was previously respected and retested, again market is trying to break. So maximum the sellers will enter here in these kind of areas. So, and one more thing, if you notice the selling candle, which was a previous candle, it is a strong candle, not at all a weak candle. So you should continue in these kind of cases. Most of the times you may get, but don't confuse. Even if it is lost, sometimes try to continue the market, okay, which will help you to make winnings. See here, my entry made again loss. Okay, today all things only happening for me. Okay, let it be. Okay, where is my next level? Here is my next level. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take a 5-minute trade. Whether still there is a gap, easily we can win, I think so. So that's why I will take a 5-minute trade if possible. I have a doubt, 50-50 chances, because in the down there is a level where I can get this kind of things. Okay, as of now I will take 1 minute only, because in the favor of momentum only, with the margin of safety only, I have taken the selling candle. Okay, let's see what will happen. Left side there is a level here. If you notice, I will show you the level once again. Let me adjust the line here. Okay, left side there is a level. Maybe that's the reason only. Okay, after momentum I could go with sellers again. So if possible, with the margin of safety, I will go with sellers again later. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Left side there is a level which is a strong one, but here I have a momentum and downtrend, so that's why only I have gone with sellers. Maybe if possible, I may get one more retracements, because as of now, if you check, there is a gap down too. So if I get one more retracement, later I will go with sellers again. Why? Because one or two retracements, these kind of errors only will happen in the trendy market. So we should accept these kind of things. Okay, maybe this time you may get more clarity about the retracements in this video, I think so. Okay, let me show you the level. Here there is the level where strongly buyers have been entered previously. Okay, so market finally made one more retracement. It's okay, you should face these kind of losses once again. So now I can officially go with sellers. Now I will go with sellers. Why? Means previously there was a candle which was a strong candle, but it didn't make any new high and new low. This point was explained in the previous and in the explanation part 2 also. So now you can easily go with sellers here, because one, the market has a pattern to go downtrend. Second thing, you have a momentum. Third thing, just now the market, if you notice from the top, it is retesting the levels and it is breaking easily. So high, low, lower high, lower low. So easily you can continue. You can check my history. Okay, last 4 trades, I think so. Red green in the trading history. Okay, it's fine. Okay, finally we got a breakout of the level. Okay, if possible, I will take 5 minutes trade as I said before. Maybe it's a 50-50 chances, but once I will take the 5 minute, oh, here the internet is issue. Okay, finally we got win. Okay. I will do one thing. I will place a 5 minutes trade and recover in the 1 minute chart also. Okay. Here any opportunity? Oh, internet issue. Okay, here I have an issue with the internet. It is not working as of now. Okay. Okay, guys, if you check these kind of points, sometimes the retracements make losses because you may think it will continue, but it will make one more candle easily because it depends upon the strong levels. We should check those kind of points, otherwise we could face losses. But in those kind of situations, try to wait or try to continue. Okay, because there will be some confirmation. If there is a level in the top, you can easily continue, but we won't have any levels, means you should wait these kind of things. Okay, I will do one thing. I will place a 5 minute spread as of now, and it's a 50-50, but let me check. Okay, here I have taken a 5 minute spread. Maybe there in the down there is a level, and in the middle also. Okay, I will recover here in the $4. Okay, it's not a big deal. Here I will follow the momentum. Okay, let me take the trade first. Why I am going with buyers? One thing, if you observe, total trend is an uptrend. Okay, what could you observe? Yeah, you should follow the trend. So that's why only I am following the trend. In the left side there is no level, so that's why only I am going with buyers here. In the market, you may get more new situations and you may get very tough situations sometimes. Why I am saying this all means every day, every time the market won't be same. So that's why you should prepare for the all kind of situations, and you should prepare for where to trade and where not to trade. This is the main thing you should notice. Okay, I will take one more candle. Okay, here, yeah, here there is a strong level. Still we have a, okay, if possible I will try to go with sellers. Okay, I think left side there is no level. Okay, let me check. I have doubt here because the buyers are trying to interest. Okay, let me plot the level and we'll check in the back long side whether we have any level or not. If there is a level, it will go buyers only. If there is no buyers, it will definitely continue to the downwards easily because previous red candle is too strong. Okay, let me go zoom out. Oh, here we have a area which is a strong area. Okay, where every time reversal has been happened. Okay, it's an SNR2. Okay, it's a strong area. That's why only reversal happened. Anyways, this will be a buyer's candle. Let's see what will happen. Okay, finally. Oh, weak buyers. Yeah, we got win. Okay, we'll check the 5 minute trade what it has been happened. Whether what, how the things are going on over there. Okay, leave this trade. I think I have recovered the amount also. Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay. Here, okay, two retracements which are strong. Okay, maybe market respected these levels particularly. Okay. Which was two retracements only, but the buyers are getting weak as of now, the present candle. Okay, I don't know. Maybe our time will be completed when the market has been returned. So we'll check in the later. Okay, I think this will be a loss candle. Okay, guys, in the 5 minutes we got loss. In the 1 minute we got win, and I have mentioned it is a 50-50 chances. Sometimes entry points make loss. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Thank you.